There are a few companies, I wanted to take a few minutes and just kind of acclimate everybody with one of my pet peeves at the car shows, and that is the reproduction wiring harnesses that are available. Even the ones that I choose, which I think are the very, very best, still have discrepancies from an original wiring harness. So if you were to go to an original equipment car show, like Chrysler's at Carlisle, you would be knocked down judge point-wise for having a reproduction wiring harness if it wasn't undetectable, and none of them that I've seen so far are undetectable. This is the original forward lamp harness here out of the 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner, and this is the replica one that I bought, the only one that I think is the best on the market. Looking at the plug-ins for the voltage regulator, so the one in my right hand is the reproduction, the one in my left hand is original. You can notice considerable differences between the two. One is this is a soft rubber outer casing on it. It's a smooth body. The original one has this hard shell on it that you'll see ribs, raised ribs that you don't see here. In fact, the entire shape is considerably different. This part and the inner part look to be the same. It's this outer shell that's the difference. So oftentimes what I will do is come on the bottom of it where you can't see it and make a slice in it and take this outer piece off of it, take this off, put it over the outside so the appearance is the same. The only differences are this nut, it's hard to get this exact same nut. The difference is the appearance of the outside of them. If you look at the two, this is the original one here. This is the reproduction one here. This one is both a taller nut as well as a fatter nut from the thread to the outer part and has a thicker appearance to it. This one did not come with a washer on it, so what I do is I use the original star-shaped washer from the original one. They do reproduce these washers, but again, they're not identical either. So if you have an original, keep it. This washer will be cleaned up, and it also had a yellow zinc chromate look to it, so it'll get re-zinced. This will get wire wheeled since it had a natural finish and a satin clear on it, and it will end up on this as a detailed item. The only other difference is, look very carefully at this bolt that holds one of the relay wires in place. There's no cross in it, such as you see in this one. You get to the big shows, these guys spend years building these cars and making them perfect. The retainer here and the bolt here are the originals. I'll clean them up, do the correct plating on them, and install them on this new solenoid. So at a glance, once this is installed in the car, you would have a difficult time seeing the difference.
Hey buddy, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.